Paul Bennett at Downeast Thunder Creations in Millbridge, Maine. I'm Paul Bennett at Shoestring Shipyard in Millbridge, Maine. You know me through this YouTube channel, Downeast Thunder Creations, and also through my Downeast Thunder Creations website. You probably don't know me as a professional marine engineer. Yes, Gidget? You probably don't know me as a professional marine engineer, naval architect. Be quiet, Gidget. You probably don't know me as a professional marine engineer, naval architect, and owner of Shoestring Shipyard. Downeast Thunder Creations, both the YouTube channel and the website, are my present occupation, located here at Downeast Thunder Farm. Shoestring Shipyard used to be a full-time business located on Cape Cod. It was an extension of my yacht design practice and my wooden boat shop. It's now a part-time hobby business located in cyberspace. Downeast Thunder Creations produces a variety of products made in various materials, mostly for free in support of local nonprofits. The website and my YouTube channel both offer free plans for any designs that I've done drawings for, always free of charge. Shoestring Shipyard has been reduced in scope, now selling only a few select boat designs along with manuals that I wrote on how to build them step by step. I only sell these plans and books directly through my Shoestring Shipyard website, and those sales help to support my Downeast Thunder Creations YouTube channel and website. Downeast Thunder has no particular specialty. Projects can include woodworking, steelwork, blacksmith work, concrete, small building projects, a lot of different things. And just about anything you can think of, whatever goes along around here on our farm. Shoestring Shipyard is all about boat designs intended for the very first time novice backyard boat builder, someone who's never built a boat before. All of the boat models that are offered were specifically designed to be built using very simple hand tools that most people have around their home for home maintenance. Shoestring Shipyard is all about getting people to build their very first boat. A lot of people have always had an intention, always wanted to build a boat, but didn't know where to begin. And Shoestring Shipyard kind of fills that little niche. The manuals will take you by the hand and lead you step by step through the process, right from start to finish, from getting your lumber to putting the boat in the water for the very first time. The Downeast Thunder Creations tagline is, always free, never a fee. Shoestring Shipyard's tagline is, everyone needs a little dinghy. The link to my Downeast Thunder Creations website can be found in the video description below. The link to my Shoestring Shipyard website can be found in the video description below. Stay tuned for some photos of some Shoestring Shipyard customer built boats that I'll add to this video right at the very end. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos. I'd very much appreciate it, and it helps me continue with this channel. Thanks for watching. Here are a few photos of Shoestring Shipyard designed boats built by my customers. You'll find more of them in the customer gallery that you'll find on the Shoestring Shipyard website. Thanks for watching.